Thanks for joining me. And what you need for this project is a marker, glue gun, glue sticks, gloves for you to protect your hands, because they do color the preserved moss, and they're also going to cover your table. Now I'm going to mark out a terrain. I'm not sure what I'm going for yet. I'm just like playing with it. You can use foam board. I have cardboard. I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to cut them out. You can just mark on the wood, but this is the route I'm taking. So now this is sheet moss, and I'm going to use that on the wood area that's not covered with the cardboard. So here I'm just cutting it out, and I'm just going to glue it down and glue the cardboard on top of that area. Now you can just play with it, because when I was doing it, I had a design, and then while I'm doing it, I just change it up. So whatever you're liking is, you just, it's art. So here I'm just adding reindeer moss to the cardboard part of this decor, and I'm going all the way along, and then I'm going to add some pincushion moss. This is the first one, and I believe these are faux moss. I don't think they're preserved moss. Everything I'm using is going to be linked in the description box. So I'm adding pincushion moss, and then I'm going to add the reindeer moss to the side of that, just to kind of like add some more fullness to that area. Now I'm adding a darker green of the reindeer moss. I'm also going to add some reindeer moss in the bottom of that greenish yellow moss area there, but that's going to be done later on. Now here I am just gluing on the pincushion moss. I actually laid them out to see if I like that decor, and I do. I had little river rocks that I add in between, I got from my garden. Now I'm filling in the area with moss, and also little bark that I got. And remember, in the description box, I'm gonna have everything listed. Now I'm gonna add on the cardboard area the darker color reindeer moss, and that's what I'm doing. I'm going to take it all the way over to the left side. I'm making sure not to cover that piece of stick that I have there, that little bark. And I'm creating kind of like just a nice terrain with this moss decor. Now on the top here, I'm adding another pincushion moss. I have this medium-sized rock I got from my rain garden, and I'm just going to glue that on right there. They're river rocks, and I'm adding the yellowish green moss to this area. I did make it a little wider because I thought the area that I had was too small, and I'm adding another shade of moss to the bottom of this part of the lighter green yellow moss. Now I wanted here a little more fuller, so I decided to just fill this area in with dark green moss. And now I'm adding the rope around the decor just to give it a little pop, just make it unique, and I love this idea. I wrapped it twice around. I want it to be a little larger. This is a 36 in diameter circle, and I'll link where I got it. Now I'm all done, so it's only to hang it. So let's see what it looks like on the wall. There it is. It looks beautiful. It was pretty easy to make. It's my first time making one of this moss wall decor. I love it. Just doing it, I have so many more ideas that I'm going to bring to life. So if you like it, that's great. Comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. It's easy to make. I will link in the description box where I got my supplies. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on that bell so you get alerts whenever I upload my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.